I like your shirt. Where is it from?
It's from New Market.
Where are you going?
I am going to school. And you?
I am going home.
May I talk to you?
Sure.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
What is this?
This is a book.
What kind of book?
This is an English book.
I am hungry. And you?
I am hungry too. What will you eat?
I will eat rice. And you?
I will eat burger.
Who is she?
She is my mother.
Who is he?
He is my father.
Where is your bag from?
This is from New Market.
How much was it?
It was taka 1000. Hello sir, may I go out?
Okay, sure.
Hello sir, may I go out?
No, you can't.
Is this your pencil?
Yes, this is.
Is that your bag?
No, that is not.
Hello Sakib, what are you doing?
I am reading. And you?
I am playing.
May I see your bag?
Okay,
May I see your bag?
sure. Hello Shafiul, what does your father do?
He is in service.
My father is a businessman.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 a.m. and you?
I go to school at 7 a.m.
When do you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 p.m. And you?
I go to sleep at 11 p.m.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am. And you?
I am a student too.
Which school do you study in?
I study in Bangla school. And you?
I study in Manipuri school.
How much is this?
This is 500 taka.
How much is that?
That is 300 taka.
What are you talking about? I don't understand.
Okay, I will make it clear to you.
Do you know my mother?
Yes, I do.
Do you know my brother?
No, I don't.
Mother, I want to go to market
Why?
because I will buy something.
What will you buy?
I will buy a toy.
What kind of toy?
I will buy a car.
Okay, we will go at 4 p.m.
Okay. Thank you, mother.
You are welcome.
Where is my pencil?
Your pencil is on the table.
Where is my bag?
It's on the bed.
Where is my pen?
It's in your pocket.
Will you play with me?
Yes, I will. What will you play?
I will play football.
I need a pencil. Can you give me?
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Where is your school?
It's at Mirpur.
What is the name of your school?
Mirpur Bangla High School.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by car. And you?
I go to school on foot.
Is this a good mango?
Yes, it is.
How much is the mango per kg?
This is taka 80.
Okay, give me 1 kg.
Where is Shozib?
He is playing.
What is he playing?
He is playing cricket.
Where is he playing?
He is playing in the field.
What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
May I watch with you?
Okay,
Thank you.
you are welcome. Hello Shafiul. Tomorrow is my birthday. So you must come with your family at 6 p.m.
Okay, I will.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
We are 2 brothers and 3 sisters. And you?
We are 1 brother and 1 sister.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV at 8 p.m.
What do you watch?
I watch cartoon.
With whom do you watch TV?
Sometimes alone, and sometimes with my family.
Hello Dinu, where are you going?
I am going to school, and you?
I am going to school too.